So, picture this. A denture kit you can order online that promises a perfect smile in minutes. No dentist appointment, no glue, just snap them in and go. That's what Tuvilo claims. On the plus side, the product is real. There's a website, you can buy the kit, and it does arrive. There are some photos and testimonials of people who say it did improve their appearance a little. According to one review, the product is marketed as a flexible, instant-fit dental appliance for missing or damaged teeth. On the caution side, real buyer feedback is alarming. On Trustpilot, the company has many one-star reviews complaining that the product is cheap plastic, doesn't fit, customer service is poor, and returns are difficult. Also, the claims are very strong. No glue, fits in seconds, works even if you have no teeth, which dental professionals say is unrealistic without professional custom fitting. So, is it a scam? I'd say it's likely not a total scam because you do get something for your money. But is it legit as a full functional denture solution? No. It falls far short of what traditional dental appliances deliver. If you're looking for a cheap aesthetic over-the-counter fix just for photos or an event, maybe it has a place. But if you need real long-term function, comfort, and fit, you're better off going to a dentist. If you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews.